Maybe I need to open something more complicated than this. Like what? Test. Oh, that was very could it work like this? I just open this star. Is it activated? Could not find the module file. Yeah, that was not a good idea. So let's open a folder specifically with a server. So clong Neut test. What is a good test? MISC. What is the most complex example in here? So the functionality that we have is go into definition. Well, look at that. It goes to the definition. And then we have completion, which is like 2j. Does it know what I mean? I think we did it. But yeah, having the syntax highlighting would be nice if it's possible. Okay, I think I am satisfied for today. I got an extension working and I like this. Let's just wrap up. So, git diff. So we have some extension functionality. We have has install script. Interesting. We have a display name. We have categories, languages, main, and pre-publish. Okay. Do we have any new files? Yes, we do. VSCode wholesale. So yeah, let's just commit everything and say that VSCode Neut seems to work. LSP. And even uses it. It not only runs it. Okay, I think that will be it. Look at that. I can go to the definition. Wow, 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 wow. This is magic. Okay, that will be it for today. Bye.